It's installed. As you've seen, I had to make a few modifications to get it installed. Nothing serious. As you see in the bushings, I had to slice them down a bit thinner. And on this, right here on this bracket to install it, the washer was a bit big on this particular bolt. So I could have changed the bolt, but I just bent this little flap over, put the bolt in, and then bent the flap back. Other than that, it's going in pretty smooth other than that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I took these fittings out for the transmission cooler line, threw some thread sealer on there, snugged it back up. I definitely could feel it's a lot tighter, or it feels a lot stronger when fastening down this fitting versus a plastic radiator where you got to really be careful about how tight you take it. But with this one, I could tell it was a lot stronger. Of course, you don't want to go crazy on it. You can still break it, but definitely much stronger. Alright guys, we got this radiator installed. Let me put the finishing touches on there and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished installing my Alloyworks radiator into my 2003 Tahoe. So what are my thoughts on their product? Well, I think it's a fantastic product. It's a great radiator. Me and Des, the auto tech, were very impressed by looking at the radiator. We went through it thoroughly. I have had my vehicle running now up to operating temperature. It's great. There's no leaks. All the welds are beautiful. It's a premium product, no doubt about it. So you definitely should buy an Alloyworks radiator if you're in the market for a radiator and they happen to have one for your vehicle. You won't be disappointed. It's going to be much better than these plastic radiators that we see nowadays. It seems like it holds more water. I could be wrong, but it seems like I put a little more coolant in there than I normally do. So I'm not sure about the capacity in which it holds. So overall guys, I highly recommend this product. Again, if you're in the market for a radiator, this is the way to go. Alloyworks. Thank you Alloyworks for sending the radiator. It's a superb product. Anyway, this is Brian 916. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.